In this video, I'll guide you through how to add Jotform to Shopify. If you're looking to enhance your Shopify store with customized forms, Jotform is a powerful tool that can help you do just that. Whether you're collecting customer feedback, conducting surveys, or creating contact forms, integrating Jotform into your Shopify store can streamline your data collection process. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to shopify.com. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Shopify website. Once there, log into your Shopify account if you haven't already. This is your central hub for managing your online store, so it's important to be comfortable navigating around here. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Locate the Apps section. This is where you can add new functionalities to your store by integrating various applications. Click on Apps to open up the section, and then click Add. This button will lead you to a world of possibilities, allowing you to enhance your store's capabilities with just a few clicks. After clicking Add, you'll be directed to the Shopify App Store. The App Store is a treasure trove of applications designed to help you manage and grow your online business. It's organized into categories, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. In the search bar of the App Store, type in Jotform and press Enter. Jotform should appear in the search results. Click on it to view more details about what it offers. Once you're on the Jotform page, you'll see a blue Install button. Click Install to begin the process of adding Jotform to your Shopify store. This step is crucial as it integrates the two platforms, allowing them to work together seamlessly. As the installation proceeds, you'll be prompted to authorize the connection between Jotform and Shopify. This is a standard procedure to ensure that both platforms can communicate securely. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the authorization. You might be asked to log into your Jotform account during this process if you aren't already. After the installation is complete, Jotform will appear in your list of installed apps under the Apps section in Shopify. From here, you can start creating and embedding forms into your store. This can be anything from contact forms to customized questionnaires tailored to your specific needs. The flexibility and ease of use that Jotform offers can greatly enhance how you interact with your customers. To make the most out of Jotform, take some time to explore its features. You can customize the appearance of your forms, integrate them with other tools, and analyze the data you collect. This level of customization means you can tailor the forms to fit the aesthetic and functionality of your store perfectly. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added Jotform to your Shopify store. This integration will not only help you manage your customer interactions more efficiently, but also provide valuable insights into your customer base. As you continue to grow your business, having a tool like Jotform at your disposal can be incredibly beneficial. Thanks for watching and happy selling. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to optimize your online store.